All right, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix. And in today's video, it's another installment of the travel and leisure section here on the channel. And we're going to visit a state park in Florida and do a walking tour, and that's coming up next. Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and like I said, it's time for another installment of the travel and leisure section here on the channel. And we're going to be visiting a state park for a walking tour in Fort Lauderdale. It's called the Hugh Birch State Park, like I said, located in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Beautiful park, tucked in between the Atlantic Ocean and the Intrrcoastal. So on one side you have access to the Fort Lauderdale beach, and on the other side you have access to the Intrrcoastal and lots of stuff to do in between. If you want to GPS the address, it's 3109 East Sunrise Boulevard in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. It's got a 1.9 mile track, and we'll get to that a little bit later. The hours are 8 a.m. to sunset, 365 days a year. That's the map there. The dot there is where the park is located. It's got all kinds of good things to do, but let's get some of the fees out of the way. $6 is going to get you entry with your vehicle, and there's lots to do. Like I said, you could cycle a 1.9 mile track. There's the main entrance. Well, that's not actually the main entrance. That's the entrance right there from the Atlantic Ocean side. The Fort Lauderdale beach is right to your right, and that entrance you saw right there, there's the sign. Cross the street and you can enter from the Fort Lauderdale Boulevard side, the A1A, the famous A1A. See people coming in and out. But like I said, the main entrance is on the other side, closer to the Intrrcoastal, and that's East Sunrise Boulevard. All right, so that's the entrance from the beach. And like I said, cycling a 1.9 mile track. You also have some camping with small cottages, I would guess you would call them. 68-person max for that. They have 6 cabins. Now right there's a restaurant and a gift shop and supplies and things that you can rent, and I'll get to that as well. They also have primitive camping, up to 50 people in tents. Here's the restaurant, gift shop. Fishing is allowed only on the Intrrcoastal side. There's some of the trails. You have some hiking. You could do a full 20-minute walk on that 1.9 mile track. They have paddling and kayaking. And they have a kayak launch onto the Intrrcoastal. Fishing is only allowed, like I said, on the Intrrcoastal side. So there you go. There's some picnic tables, snorkeling, beach access, great park. So if you're in Fort Lauderdale, take a relaxing walk around the Hugh Birch State Park. We had a great time, very relaxing. Fishing, camping, hiking, cycling, running, walking, paddling, the list goes on and on. Great park, open 365. Weather is amazing in Fort Lauderdale, so if you're ever down there, stop by and visit. Like I said, it's right on the A1A, Fort Lauderdale Boulevard, aka. Comment below, tell me what you think of Florida in general. If you were at the Hugh Birch State Park, tell me all about it. And if there's any other great state parks to visit, I'm sure there are. Comment below, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time right here on 640 AM The Mix. Thanks for watching, everyone.